Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to develop an understanding of simple interest. And students often ask, well, how is this math concept going to help me in the real world? Well, this one, simple interest, will help you in the real world, believe me, because you're going to deal with banks later on. And by the way, it is a very good habit to save your money. But before we go into the word problem, let's take a look at the key terms IPRT and what they stand for. Well, I stands for interest, P stands for principal, R stands for rate, and T stands for time. And we're going to develop an understanding of these terms as we apply them to this word problem. And let's say, for example, you want to put your money in a bank. A bank is offering 4.5% simple interest on a traditional savings account. And let's say you have $1,500 and you deposit it into that traditional savings account. And the question is, how much interest will you earn in 3 years? Okay, and so here's how we calculate interest. The additional money you will receive just for the bank to hold your money. And here we go. And so let's see, our principal is 1,500. Our rate is 4.5%, as translated as 45 thousandths. And I'm not going to say 45 thousandths. I'm just going to say 0.045 for the sake of simplicity. And then our time is 3 years. And what we're going to do, we're going to multiply the principal times the rate times the time to get our interest. And here is our problem. We have $1,500 times 0.045 times 3. And so let us multiply the principal times the rate first, because that'll be the easiest thing to do. And when we do that, when we multiply $1,500 times 0.045, our answer ultimately will be $67.50 per year, right? And that's why we have to multiply it by 3, because we're holding it in a traditional savings account for 3 years. And that's going to give us $202.50, in which we can add to our principal of $1,500 to get our total of $1,702.50. Imagine that. Just to hold your money in the bank, you get an extra $202.50, provided that you keep it in there for 3 years. You have received a lot of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video and look at the anchor chart, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a better understanding of simple interest. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and I repeat, like, and then subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.